Hi, friends. Today we're going on a super fun adventure together. I have a surprise animal hidden at the end of this video. Can you guess what it is? I'll give you a hint. It has a long neck and it loves to eat leaves. What could it be? Let's find out while we have some fun and learn new things. Okay, before we guess our mystery animal, we're going to look at some other animals first. Can you name this animal? It's a tiger. Tigers can roar really loudly, and they have orange and black stripes. Now let's see another animal. How about this one? That's right, it's an elephant. Elephants have big ears and long trunks. They like to drink water with their trunks and even splash it everywhere like a fun water game. Are you good at making animal sounds? Let's try together. Can you roar like a tiger? Let's go. Roar! Wow, that sounded great. Now let's make an elephant sound. Are you ready? Ha ha. So funny, right? You're amazing at this. All right, let's learn something cool about our arms and legs. Did you know animals have different kinds of legs and how they walk depends on them? Tigers have strong legs for running, elephants have big legs for walking, and our mystery animal has long legs to reach up high. What could it be? Now, let's count together. This tiger has 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. Count them with me. That's right, 4 legs. Now, let's count the elephant's legs. 1, 2, 3, 4 legs, 2. Good counting. Now let's find out what our mystery animal has. Are you ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! It's a giraffe. Giraffes are super tall. They can stretch their long necks way up high to munch on leaves from tall trees. Isn't that cool? And look, they have the same number of legs as a tiger and an elephant. Let's count their legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, animals are so interesting. Now let's roar one more time like a tiger, trumpet like an elephant, and stretch our necks like a giraffe. So much fun. I'm so proud of you all for learning with me today. Remember, you're amazing learners. Until next time, have a great day. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Just click the link in the description to get started today.